Hello everybody, welcome to iExamB's Legal Bee. This is Amrita, your law faculty here at iExamB. Embrace the iExamB learning experience with us, and if you're preparing for any competitive examinations, especially after the law discipline or after graduating in law, then you do check out www.iexamb.com. There are various online courses available for exams that are relating to law officer in regulatory bodies, banking sector, and so on. So you can check out all the details, activate our demo courses. If you have any queries, reach out to us by writing us an email on hello@iexamb.com. You can also call us on the number 920552408 and write to us in the comment section of this video. मैंने recently एक series start की है relating to the current videos that are very important for law students. When you are studying law or you have already studied law, you have studied constitution, especially systems like this that are there incorporated in our system of governance should be known by every law student. आज का वीडियो मैंने जो बनाया है is on the topic first past the post system. Now what is this system? Where is it discussed? It is relating to the system of elections in Lok Sabha as well as Vidhan Sabha. अभी elections होने वाले हैं. We all know that it has been declared in 7 phases. It will be conducted. We all are going to go and vote as well. But do we know the system that we are following for representation over here? So we have to understand the FPTP system that is being adopted by us when the constitution was being made. At that time only it was discussed by the Constituent Assembly makers only. This has come actually from the British origin only. In majority of the British colonies still today it is followed. In Canada also it is followed, in US and India. You can find out this system very prevalent in many elections. So we do follow the system. But ये FPTP system है क्या? इसको जानते हैं इस शॉर्ट वीडियो में. But before we go ahead, I would like to make an announcement. The SEBI Grade A Legal Officer exam notification is out. इसके लिए अगर आप prepare कर रहे हैं, do check out the details of our crash course. A new batch is starting from 22nd of March itself. So do check out the details. Hurry up, enroll now. You can also reach out to us for any queries. These are all the features of our courses that you can see: live classes, practice tests, study materials, short and crisp videos, interview guidance, and whatnot. कोई भी queries हो, reach out to us and prepare 50% faster with us at iExamB. What is this first past the post system? The word looks like, but it is a very simple system. This is adopted for elections in Lok Sabha and Vidhan Sabha. For other elections, president elections, Rajya Sabha and everything, we are having a system of getting the parties appointed through the or elected through the proportional representation. But ये proportional representation से एक अलग system है, ज़्यादा simpler method है. This is used for determining the majority of the candidate in the areas where the population is actually very much. If it is a small democratic country, proportional representation system would have worked. But in a country like India, proportional representation becomes very complicated when we are taking direct elections for Lok Sabha. So that's why we have adopted this system. इस system में क्या होता है? The country is split up into separate geographical areas known as the constituencies. हम लोगों को तो पता ही है कि constituencies क्या होती हैं. Constituencies जिसे हम कई बार seats कहते हैं. It is the dividation of the area in accordance with the population of that particular territory. इसके हिसाब से हम लोग डिटरमाइन करते हैं कि कितनी कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसीज होगी एक पर्टिकुलर स्टेट में. उस कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसीज के लिए कैंडिडेट्स खड़े होते हैं फॉर द इलेक्शन, एंड देन वी कॉल द इलेक्टर्स और वी कॉल द वोटर्स एट द पोलिंग बूथ्स. देयर वी हैव ईवीएम मशीन्स, एंड जब आप उस मशीन्स पर जाते हो आपको एक वोटिंग अडॉप्ट करनी होती है इस तरीके से कि आपको प्रेफरेंशियली वोट्स देने होते हैं. द कैंडिडेट विच यू लाइक द मोस्ट, that you have to give the top vote. In that priority order you have to give your voting. आपका vote transferable भी होता है in the sense that your vote never gets wasted. अगर आपने किसी कैंडिडेट को सेकंड प्रेफरेंस में रखा है, किसी कैंडिडेट को फर्स्ट प्रेफरेंस में रखा है, तो आपका वोट वेस्ट नहीं जाएगा. योर वोट विल बी काउंटेड somewhere or the other, even if your candidate is on the second position, your first candidate is not liked by others, तो आपका वोट सेकेंड के लिए एटलीस्ट काउंट होगा. This is one thing. And the most important thing about the FPTP system is that the candidate who gets the maximum votes will be the winner. For example, हम imagine करते हैं एक टेरिटरी है XYZ, वहाँ पर 5 कैंडिडेट्स हैं. एक कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी की हम बात करते हैं. There are 5 candidates. Out of those, each candidate has secured a minimum number of votes, and the candidate who gets the maximum out of those 5 will be the winner. Suppose a candidate gets 25%. Even if that 25% is achieved by him, but he has achieved the maximum number of votes as compared to the other competitors, he will be the winner. अगर वो maximum votes achieve नहीं करता, in the sense there is no mark that has been set कि आपको minimum इतने votes लाने हैं, 50% तो लाने ही है, नहीं तो आप fail हो जाओगे. No, this system will never fail anybody. It will determine the maximum number of votes that have been received by this candidate. So this candidate is a winner. So ये system काफी simple है. And ये system workout करता है in the countries which are having a large population and a diverse population. इस तरीके का system काफ़ी easily handle हो जाता है. So what are the key points? Candidates getting more votes than his competitive candidates. This is what is the key area that you have to remember here. अगर उसको ऐसा कोई लिमिट नहीं कि 100 में से उसको 50% लाने हैं, नहीं. उसको अगर 25% भी आते हैं बट उसको सबसे ज़्यादा है as compared, this is a comparison that you are doing. जैसे हम ranks निकालते थे when we were in school, you can understand it like that. Very simple. He may not attain total majority of votes, but is with a higher number of votes as compared to the competitors. So he is the most liked person and he will be the winner. Then let us come to the reason why India adopted this system over proportional representation for Lok Sabha and Vidhan Sabha elections. Proportional representation में stable government कभी कभी शायद ना बन पाए. This may happen. But if we need a stable government, when we are talking about parliament, legislature, these people will form the government. The government should be stable. And उसके लिए ये system सबसे ज़्यादा suitable है. ये stability को promote करता है. Voting on the basis of individual candidates as well is done in this kind of election. अगर हम PR की बात करें तो उसमें party based voting ज़्यादा होती है. But when we adopt the FPTP system, then the individual candidates will get the majority in their locality, in their area. They will get the representation. उससे उनकी accountability भी ज़्यादा बढ़ जाती है. And then they are tedious to do more work and they do good work because of that accountability that they get in their own area. System is simple to understand. In this there is nothing difficult. The calculations are also comparatively simpler. Choices are also very clear over here for the voters. Suitable to larger democracies like India. India is having a variety of population. Population is also huge. अगर कोई small country है then that's fine, but in a country like India this is very suitable process. That's why our Constituent Assembly has so much of discussion on this and we have finally adopted this system. For more information or on any queries, you can reach out to us. You can write to us in the comment section of this video also. And yes, don't forget to subscribe to LegalBee and stay updated with such kind of videos and beneficial content.